you for supporting us, and we will not let you down.
Magiga yobo mobo bwazimio la umoja won Kenya gutugutirare obochori gusama chibu yobochori ayo abagakorariwa nomurayi gose umunyakiro go bwiki ombekirigi chimbebero obochori wafula chebukati nigona inde bagendrete kuruwa birengelio aho kubwatikana na ali abetega okolekana bakorawa na Kalonzo Musyoka nigo batebiribuna nigo bagendrete busyo ilikwene kiambachi konyora oburayi bwabo chingakie cyo nigo bago keirumbo baro bwabunge olibabwate yikoro kyabuna nigo barachi gutwara chinguru chinene ime yebunge.
Notice that since a statement by a presidential candidate yesterday, the whole world has its attention drawn on our wonderful republic, a country we all love, and a country that none of us is prepared to let go the wrong way. So these consultations, as my brother Raila has explained, are ongoing. It is obvious that we have very, very many elected representatives of our people, not even to mention about the members of the county assemblies, who will shortly, in the next few days, be also putting their act together. So we will continue with our caucuses in terms of the regions, the Coast region, the Northeastern region, the Nyanza region, the Central region. We are all doing this so that people can get to understand each other better. And as results emerge of our consultations, if need be, we will let members of the media know. But the most important matter is to stand in solidarity and to stand together. In fact, we have happily sung the composition by our late brother, Senator Kajwang, may God rest his soul in peace, that nchi hii bado ni mapambano, ili haki mwishowe ipatikane, so that Kenyans can live happily together with each other as brothers and sisters.